Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. मैं हूँ आपकी टेक बहू जो लाती हूँ tips and tricks to make life simpler and easier. If this quarantine is stopping you from your diet plans and stopping you from having bullet coffee because you're not able to go and purchase it, then this is the answer to your questions and your concerns. I'm going to teach you how to make bulletproof coffee the easiest and fastest way. For this, all you need is and this is really basic. If you have, I will let you know where you can use something else if you have it in the house. I'm using the absolute basic so that anybody and everybody can make it. All you need is a cup of hot water, coffee, coconut oil. You can use ghee, coconut oil, anything that is more in stock because we really have to take care of our stock. You need a beater or a fork is enough. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is pick out a spoon of coffee, a full spoon. If you like your coffee really strong, then you can use a bigger spoon. I usually use this small spoon, and this is the quantity that I use. I'm just going to put this in, and then I'm going to pour a nice cup of water has been poured into this, and now you can just move it. You can just use this to froth the coffee. If you do not have, if you have a mixer, a coffee mixer, or these mugs that have these mixing things in a battery, you can use that as well. I simply use a fork because it's more convenient. And next is to add the oil. Here we're using a coconut oil, and you can use ghee if you'd like to, but just use what you have. Even people use butter. So you can use whatever is in stock for you. I'm going to use 2 spoons of this because this is almost equal to 1 tablespoon. So I'm just going to use 2 spoons of this. Another one. And then again give it a nice stir. You might want to keep the fork in the coffee because you would like to move it again and again if it's having a sip by sip. And that's about it, friends. As simple as that. This is your cup of bulletproof coffee, available early in the morning, like in a couple of minutes, with the stock right in your kitchen. So if you have any friends who can't follow their diet regime or have the bulletproof coffee just because of stocking or quarantine, share this video right now. Do let me know how you like it. Do subscribe to my channel for many such videos. This is your Tech Bahu, signing off.